Today, we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch for a 2022 to 2026 BMW i4, which features a 100% concealed cross tube, patent-pending stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market, with 3,500 pounds towing and 350 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. To begin, remove the underbody panel by taking out all the fasteners. Then, remove the driver's side panel by taking out the bolts as shown. Remove the factory Torx bolt from the bottom rear strut under the frame. Next, remove the factory hex nuts from the rear crossmember inside the bumper. Place the side plate weldments over the crossmember studs. Align the bottom slot on the side plate with the hole in the rear strut. Then, fasten the assembly with the factory Torx bolt. And reinstall the factory nuts. For the next step, place a lock washer and a flat washer on each half-inch bolt. Fasten the receiver hitch to the side plates using the 3 holes on each side plate. Secure the bolts with the flanged hex nuts and torque the hardware to the appropriate foot-pounds indicated in the instructions. Next, lay out and trim the underbody panel according to the drawings in the instruction booklet. You may find it easier to start with the hitch opening first before putting the underbody panel back on. Reinstall all factory components with the original hardware in the reverse order of removal. Slide the insert adapter into the receiver hitch, securing it with the appropriate 5/8 hardware and torquing to the proper specs. Finally, your EcoHitch is installed and ready to go wherever your travels take you next.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.